So this is how you can send a group mail using the email on your iCloud. Of course, this by that we talk about the iCloud email address, which is part of the Apple's mail client. So whenever you open up the app, you can obviously just create a brand new message at the bottom. So you can click on this option right there. And you can see that I can just start typing that in. So obviously it is from my email account. I can type in the mail's content, whatever it might be, right? But the whole point is that I'm into the section where it says to. I essentially just type in as many email addresses as I want. So whatever it might be, right? So I just type that in like that, and you can see that all of the email addresses will be added there as long as you keep on adding more stuff, right? So you can even click on the plus icon like that and add some other contacts which have their emails attached, right? So for me, it's only this one, but essentially you can keep on adding these recipient emails as many essentially as you want, and you can just send a group email like that. Obviously, if you click on this, you have like the copy, or you have the hidden copy there. So into those fields, you can also add another Gmail or essentially any email addresses. So obviously this is the hidden carbon copy, and this is the carbon copy. So, and this is like the main page or main email recipients addresses. But using this, you can essentially add as many accounts as you want. And it's pretty just that. So let me know below in the comments if you managed to make it work. Subscribe for more tutorials and guides like this one, and I'll catch you in the future videos.